Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x minus number 5. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2dx. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.